we shouldn't disregard the Me Too movement by calling this Me Too, because Me Too is when there's an issue. When
Sure.
two people are trying to say there is no issue, that's not called the Me Too movement, that's called rumor mongering.
Amongst the many issues related to Sushant that have caused anger amongst his fans is the false Me Too accusation that was leveled against him way back in 2018. While Sanjana Sanghi, who Sushant was accused of misbehaving with, clarified almost immediately that no such incident had taken place.
When
Sure.
two people are trying to say there is no issue, that's not called the Me Too movement, that's called rumor mongering.
Sushant was amongst the high-profile celebrities in Bollywood who was accused during the Me Too movement for misbehaving with his co-star. While the issue was already resolved in 2018 itself, आज भी उनके फैंस एंड सेलिब्रिटीज लाइक कंगना रनौत उसे मूवी माफिया और कॉम्प्रोमाइज जर्नलिज्म की साजिश बताते हैं. The incident apparently deeply disturbed Sushant, who must have been really worried because the director of the film Dil Bechara, for which he was shooting at that time, was also accused by multiple women for misbehaving. Sushant's friend Samuel Haukip has now alleged that Sanjana should have responded sooner and caused the actor less distress. In the aftermath of his demise, and as multiple allegations and supposed truths keep emerging on a daily basis, one of Sushant's friends, Samuel Haukip, has now spoken to a newspaper and questioned why Sanjana Sanghi, who Sushant was accused of misbehaving with, didn't respond sooner to Sushant and issued an immediate clarification that could have saved the actor many sleepless nights. While she did make a statement clarifying कि सुशांत ने ऐसी कोई गलत हरकत नहीं की थी, Samuel questions her delay in issuing a clarification.
I think I've really said more than enough about what happened, and also I'd given a clarification which should have been enough, and at the time it wasn't late. There's nobody is an authority to decide on what's late and what's not. You don't fuel rumors. It's not my responsibility or job to clarify rumors. It's really not. So we shouldn't disregard the Me Too movement by calling this Me Too, because Me Too is when there's an issue. When
Sure.
two people are trying to say there is no issue, that's not called the Me Too movement, that's called rumor mongering.
Sanjana had mentioned recently, while responding again to questions about why it took her some time to deny the allegations against Sushant, that she was abroad and didn't realize for a few days that such allegations had been made against her late co-actor. Talking about this explanation, Samuel says, but then she claims that she was in the States and there was no network. We live in this 21st century where we can get free Wi-Fi in foreign locations as well. It was such a big allegation on Sushant and this movie, so Sanjana should have cleared it. Meanwhile, Sushant's friend and Pavitra Rishta director Kushal Zaveri had also made a statement on this issue via social media recently, where he shared the impact these allegations had on the late actor. I stayed with Sushant from July 2018 to Feb 2019. The most vulnerable I've seen him was during the Me Too movement in October 2018. The electronic media was targeting him without any solid proof. We tried our best to contact Sanjana Sanghi, but it seems she was in USA and was not available for any comment. Strange coincidence. Kushal had written on his social media stories. It seems that the actor was facing difficulties from multiple fronts between 2018 and 2019, from problematic relationships to allegations against his character to films like Drive and Sonchariya performing poorly. अफसोस की बात ये है कि आज वो हमारे बीच नहीं है अपनी मन की बात कहने के लिए और अपना सच बताने के लिए. शायद अब इन्वेस्टिगेशंस ही बता पाएंगे कि आखिर क्यों हमने सुशांत को खो दिया.